Hi ho, this is Kermit the Frog. Today we're gonna get out here and try out the Rampage with this HOBBYWING 300 amp ESC system in it. We're gonna try it on 8S and see if it does any better than it did before. It never did get its top speed with these props, which was 114. But let's see what it does. I would love to exceed 114. But either way, we're gonna have a great time. Stay tuned. And as I've said before, what you notice that's different about me is I actually get out and run these boats. I test them, I develop them. What ends up in our ready to run boats is what I've gone out here and tested and found out what is the best for us. And it's not always the hottest speed run setup. Most customers buy ready to run boats because they want to enjoy the boat through a full run. And I optimize setups that'll make the boat go the fastest it can without any heat issues or any runtime issues or anything like that. And that's one of the things that separates our boats from the others. I just don't understand how these others, they just sit up in a jewelry store or just drop ship or whatever and they make it happen. But they're not quite the caliber of Oxidean Marine. Because if you've seen in other videos, we have a full staffed warehouse.
What is it?
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water shoot. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-riding, bright colors and all. When you hear it on the water, man, you know they rip. The ESC motors, props and slick. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxidean Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? Who's got you screaming Oxidean Marine? Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? Who's got you screaming Oxidean Marine?
All right, boys. All right, gang. That was 114 miles an hour. That's the personal best of this boat already. But I wasn't getting 114 on those props. I got like 112, 113. But you know what? I didn't get full clamp out of it. Not the way I'd like. We're gonna have to do it again because I gotta get a personal best for this boat. It can't be stuck at 114. And these ESCs and this equipment felt so robust. It's definitely capable of it. Now that was fun. That was really fun. It didn't exceed 114, but it did better than it ever did on these props. And that is a great testimony of the HOBBYWING ESCs. Nothing was too hot, nothing was too crazy. The ESCs were healthy, warm. The motors weren't hot at all. Everything ran fine. All I can really say to you guys is stay tuned for a lot more awesomeness to come from us. in 2025. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and by all means, continue enjoying radio-controlled model boating. Bill Oxidean, over and out.